Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean Crocs at home easily. This will be a super easy and simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a single Croc, and this is from a pair of Crocs. And people forget this, but the nature of a Croc is a very rubberized material. So it's very easy to clean. And people go to these complex methods to clean them, but in reality, all that you need is just a little bit of soap and water. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So first, you want to just wet the Crocs. Crocs are beautiful because they're meant to get wet because of the rubbery material. Okay? So pay attention to how dirty that was before. You want to wet the Croc. Then you want to apply a little bit of soap. Now, the beauty of this is that you can use whatever soap you want, okay? Now, this soap is great because it's also going to make the Crocs smell better as well. Because, you know, your bare feet are in them, or even your feet with socks, you know, it's going to make them smell a little bit better as well. So as you can see, I'm just caressing the Croc with some soap, and I want to do the inside and the outside like that. Very simple, okay? Just make sure you get all of the areas with the soap. Okay, once you're done that, turn on the water again, and you want to rinse off the soap. Now you really want to make sure to get all of the soap off, because if you leave some soap on the Crocs, it's going to make it a little bit slippery and a little bit slimy, and nobody wants to have that on their feet. Just so make sure you rinse off absolutely all of the soap off the Crocs. It's especially important on the inside because, you know, on the inside, your feet are going to slide in there if you leave the soap. So make sure you're rinsing all of it off, just like that. Really make sure you're thoroughly rinsing all the soap. I cannot emphasize that enough, because if you leave a little bit of soap, it's going to feel slimy, it's going to be slippery, it's not going to be good. Once you're done, turn off the water, and you can just place these outside to dry, and I would recommend that you leave them upside down. I'm going to get the soap out of the sink so I can show you here. You can easily place them upside down to dry like that if you wanted to, or you could take a cloth, just dry them off. So I'm going to take this cloth like this, as you can see right here. I'm going to dry off the entire Croc. Let's adjust this camera angle just a bit, make it a little bit easier for me to show you. So as you can see, I'm just drying off the Croc, and if you take a look at it, you can see now that it is absolutely sparkling. Look at how clean this thing is. This is obviously more dry than the rest of it, but it is absolutely shining. Look at how clean that is compared to before. It's like a night and day difference, and I would obviously go ahead and dry the entire thing, but I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me dry it all, but I would go ahead and I would dry everything. And that's basically it. That is how to clean Crocs easily at home with just one simple ingredient. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.